Hello, today I will show you how to use Remitbee Rewards. So let's start the main video. First, open the Remitbee app on your mobile or visit their official website. Make sure you are logged in with your account. Once you're inside, look for the Rewards tab in the main menu. This is where you can see all your earned points and offers. Here you'll see how many reward points you've collected. These points are usually earned every time you send money using Remitbee. Remitbee Rewards allow you to redeem points for discounts or cashback on your next transfer. For example, if you have 500 points, you can use them to save a few dollars on fees. To use your rewards, simply click on the Redeem button. Select the option you want, like a discount or cashback, and confirm. Now, when you make your next transfer, you'll see an option to apply your redeemed reward. Just tick the box, and the discount will be applied automatically. After applying the reward, continue with your transfer as usual. You'll notice that your total cost is reduced. That's how you save with Remitbee Rewards. And that's it. Thanks for watching.